CamLinks are expensive. However, I have found an alternative. Hello guys and welcome to Tim's Media. I'm your host, Jack Timms. If you haven't already known, a lot of you guys are used to this webcam, which is basically at the top of my iMac. It's time to change that. Seeing as it was my birthday, literally a couple of days ago, because we all know what professional streamers, YouTubers use nowadays, a DSLR for a webcam. But I must say, CamLinks are expensive. The CamLink is £119. At least that's the cheapest option I could find, or the cheapest version of the CamLink I could find on Amazon. And the Julia HDMI to USB converter, which is a similar model to the CamLink, is only £27.99. I think this is going to change the game. That is a huge money saving right there. I am not lying. I have watched a YouTube review on this CamLink knockoff. Let's just call it that. The CamLink knockoff. I have seen a review, and boy oh boy was it surprising to see the results. So I went ahead and purchased one. Okay, it is the next day. That's why I'm wearing a different t-shirt, and it has arrived. I must say, the packaging looks pretty much legit. By the way, I just want to mention that the DSLR I already own. I'm using a Canon 80D. It should support other cameras, I'm pretty certain. I just want to mention that all products I've mentioned will be listed down below. So it's a pretty sleek box packaging. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's pretty sleek, not gonna lie. You got the device there up front, a nice kind of wooden style packaging. On the back, this is what it says. The video capture can capture both HDMI video and HDMI audio, sending audio and video signals to computers, smartphones, previews and stores. Suitable for high definition acquisition, teaching, recording, medical imaging, etc. These are the features. Number 1, supports input max resolution of 4K, supports output max resolution of 1080p, supports 8, 10 to 12-bit deep color, nice, support AWG 26 HDMI standard cable, input up to 15 meters, 1080p and below resolution, support most acquisition software such as VLC and OBS, AMCAP, etc. So hopefully it should work with Streamlabs, which is what I tend to use to stream, and then supports Windows, Android and Mac OS, that's important, conforms to USB video and UVC standard, conforms to USB video 1.5 and 1.0 standard, conforms to USB audio UAC standard, without external power supply, compact and portable. Nice. Let's see what it says on the Amazon page. So HDMI video capture. Julia HDMI capture card features streaming or recording high definition pictures of game consoles, meetings or other audios to your computer through third-party capture software or live broadcast over the internet easily. High speed and full HD. This game capture card supports input max resolution, so that's 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second or 30 hertz. Output max resolution 1920 by 1080 at 30 hertz or 30 fps. Record high definition 30 frames per second, video directly to your hard drive with no delay. It is also supporting 60 FPS on 720p, so that's pretty good. It is a suitable choice for you to keep the great moments. There's a spelling error, as it says moments, but with an M, not an N. But oh well. Moving on. Operating system, this HDMI capture basically it supported Windows, macOS and Android, and it supports software such as VLC, OBS and MCAP. Easy to use, our game capture, blah 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 blah. We get the gist, let's get into it. That's what it looks like. Not bad, is it? Nice sleek design. Let's give it a go. Okay, so now we are using the DSLR and the Julia HDMI to USB capture USB. And to prove, because you're probably thinking that, just press record on the DSLR over there. Well, to prove it, I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. Okay, so that's the camera there, which I'm shooting on, and this is what I'm seeing on the screen. And normally, because I can literally do this, normally this would be being used so far, but it's not. This can be used for other things as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be for your webcam. It could be for a variety of different things, but I am super excited to use this in my arsenal. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this kind of light. There's a lot of noise going on, so I will have a play around with the settings to make sure that that noise goes away, and hopefully it does, because it will really irritate me. But yeah, it seems to work, so good job. I'm actually going to jump ahead to see if it will work in Streamlabs, so join me there. Okay, so now we are in Streamlabs OBS. I'm going to show you what the stream itself would look like. So there's no game, so at the moment you can see there's nothing, but the webcam itself is better quality. And if I just jump onto the desktop mode, then hey, you can see the desktop in real time. But I'm just going to walk through a couple of things that you can do to make your webcam look a bit better, if you will. So we're just going to add a color correction real quick, because I'm noticing some of the colors are a bit off. Increase the gamma slightly. Contrast we can increase. Saturation is a fair bit. In fact, I think we can decrease the saturation a tad. Hue shift. That's fine. Opacity we want to look good. I mean, I will play around the settings, because again, that noise down there is really annoying me. So once I've had a go with the settings, everything should be good. But yeah, I think this is a really good setup, and will be something that I will look forward to using, especially with the dummy battery, which means the battery life will stay on for a while, but because it's on a battery at the moment, it won't last as long as I want it. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, and yeah.